You see, for you wa Kenya, pre and post independence, we had a very lean population. Yes.
As compared to na haria to gikinyete umuthi.
Yes.
O twici ni twakinyire milioni 50 Kenya.
Yes, negwithia tuguthete chwani.
50.
Die muthoni turorere at independence twaria igana because we were very few.
At independence digwiciria population ni akinyete andu milioni 10.
They akinyete I think around
6-7 there.
10 at most. Tukiheo wathani.
Tukiheo wiyathi.
Wiyathi. Yes. And the population you get surged over the years. We were at independence. Today we are 55 million.
To 55?
We estimated 55 million.
Umuthi? Nitwaingihana riwa.
In 2023. Hey, that's okay. What 55 munene. That was 8.1 million. Thank you, Muthoni. In 1963.
8.1.
Agane kyo ando Amerika mu makona migunda maeka.
Nikyo kwari wari.
No tha yura to giuna ni ro bururi o mundu gake ri.
You know that is almost how many times? Over 5 times.
It's over 6 times. Almost. And so we have surged in population. Now, of course, factors in Yigi, maendeleo, a good medical care, adoma ukanyihake infant mortality, ado maya cia na igakinyanira. Yes.
Na thayo ndio na thayo bururi guko na thayo ri.
Yes.
Ona ndu no guciana naguo muno.
Tondu na andu matari wiyathi ri. Ni wona iyo yes, with that surgery, ni wakora matura rugongo, ni marauka kiuingi, wakora facility kana institution iria cieko uri, ni irabatara riu another facility.
Kwandanduka. Kana kuhingurwo ingi.
Yes. Riu ni wakora ta riu primary ri, ni a surge muno. Andu primary cia kinyire ikigia ciana we.
Andu kwagire na population boom.
Kwaja head no Nyayo, and you have to credit it to Nyayo. Head no Nyayo wale hile iriya shukuru. That was a huge incentive. Yes. On way wa mwanaki ro atiriri. Otigetie hani onywere ya Nyayo. It was an incentive. Not only kwa the school feeding program. Ciana ikiaje goka thukuru
muno.
And then Kibaki, of course, the pinnacle of all, the free primary education.
Yes.
Yes. You know akinya hadu wako wa shukuru ri. Au ni mwa stretch ke.
The facility.
Okay, wara ne kwagia project yegi. The Harambe school. Yes.
Ino igwa kwina baratha ya cifu.
Yes.
Na jeda nene.
Yes.
Ni tureciria gwaka thukuru murimo uria.
Yes.
Tandu guku ciana ni iraikaranira ni ikinyete guikaranira.
No, in some places it was as bad as nudu wacia na ukoci nyingi muno thukuru na gukorwo facilities itinge expand beyond there.
Yes.
Ugakora thukuru cia thomagwo na shift.
Yes.
Gwe ciana ciukaga rucini nginya igakinyia mugwanja.
Yes.
Ingi na cio igoka mugwanja igathie gutukithia.
Yes. And the ones with the shallower syllabus mahe othi guta ithatu wiki. The lower primary. Okay, awanu mathoma thiko ici. Ya kana mathia rungu rwa muti given proper weather. Yes. Riu kwa necessity ta okaigwa riu aciari ni macokanirira because he hindi thirikari nayo yatiganirie githomo
pio.
Yes. Aciari macokanirira makakopopania ki
magetha wa 10 wa igana.
Yes.
Wa ngiri
magaka thukuru. Riu ni gwakinya handu kaigwa riu finally ni tuguthathaura shukuru ke
shukuru itu
shukuru mona tuthie urio ngiru mweru.
Yes. Ciana cia kuma harenjia mukira.
Yes.
Gucoka itherero munyaka wanyu wa githomo ni mukuhireirie.
You would not like it because it's a very basic facility.
You had wajagia from scratch.
Yes. No menya rumo unagirwo nginya arimu.
Yes.
What we carry, and I think the selection was either random or by geographical.
Sana ciagago na geographical area. Wakiuga kuma zone ino kana kuma barabara ino gucoka na kou ciana cia mwena ucio wothe ithie thukuru iria.
Na ni tukuoya aria matoithĩtie ciana thukuru mũtigacire guku.
And some of those schools started from the bottom. Now they are reputable institutions. Yes. Very unfamiliar water. And you were telling me as much it was not a small occasion.
No, thukuru wanyu waciara thukuru ungiri. Riu ni gwakiri the day muthenya munene wa kumaumagaria kumatwara in their new institution. Riu mwathia muri inyuothe mukamainira na mukamagaira tuindo tunini na mabuku
na mukahura kuitoka.
No, it was a big day.
I can only imagine. And there were even heartbreaks on wakora your best friend.
Yes.
Kana bogi yaku yothe.
Ni mwagayukanio.
Nimekwa ndiro koraize.
No, kuri ciana na ciarwaraga ngoro.
Nimekorwa tondu riri bogi yaku yothe ni agerejio yakirwo ki
ni amwana uri ungi wa muhaka na watho uga maringe
maikara mukaigwa riu oima ugacoka kwaje ukaura mathabu mariri some would get a reprieve and a relief tondu nwataraga cukuru yo murathia mbere murathia kilomita 9 riu murachutha ichi
murachutha 3-4 aura no ngoma komage
no ngoma komage never mind no rio uma kuhwaini riu murakuhiriirie mathia mukamahe desk turamu mabuku and stationery here and there
mugacoka mukorura irathi ciao ciothe mukona aya reke tuge ni makuranga ngatiri kidogo mangigakoroga
aya reke tuge na thuyari
guku ni magwitanga mai
thuya cingikomboka kundu guku ri mangigatere mari wakora nginya kwina kirathi thiini kwina this weed yohagiririo ng'ombe itagwo atia is a weed eta munya nginya ni ndegwa
na ti thanji
no eta what ya muthoni this is a weed it looks like a tree neta kana kamote formation no ne weed with a very deeply rooted ng'ombe ni yohagiririo kau
na
ndege munya wakora nginya ciekira thio kamenya gaka
hapa wako na mlima
nigeko mahinganga and the same for chat to the facility ta thukuru ya overstretch wori it would ripple
you know it was is a general picture of the society uria kwina ciana nyingi ti ukiorania ona population ni theine wa that area
absolutely
ikirio nene
ni wakora waigwa
pale situ nituraciarire kanitha mweru na niturahoya please district ya Hosea neinywe host ya kanitha uriku
kundu yoku tutiganagira andu ni mauragirwo guku nja ni turaciarire kiu
ni turaciarire kanitha ungi
prayer cero ya Jerusalemu Capernaum na Goshen ni inywe muguthie mwanjie kigongona kiu na ugetwo Vicar General or maybe it was not a bishop affair bishop Chicago consecrate
riu mwaka ihoero rieru
riu kou ni mwikire effort mwakinya gwitao
kanitha nakuo ni kwari nditi
ni kwari nditi cigithoma ni mari passion kanitha ni kwari mwikururio
kanitha ni yari na kaditi
kanithari ona nigetha muguo muthiiri ni mwamba kwetherwo kiharo kionekari cukuru ria wi hakuhi mukero muthoma yaku
mwambe muorientwo
muthoma yaku nginya mugacokaniria mweke atia
mwanjiririe gwaka
mwake haria
mwaorientwo hakiri cianyu imenyere gutiga guthie matha church ri.
Yes. Hakiri cianyu ciamenya Ngai ari o kuu mwatomwo ri
riu mwanjie mwako.
Yes. And some churches started like that. Now they are cathedrals.
Mothe ni makanitha manene.
Absolutely. Or even today it's still happening.
Yes.
Gura wito Mihango St. Catherine's was the only SK church. Na gusha this kwena Timothy, kwena Sherry. The parish has many churches. Yes.
Ndiye kaundu kau ni ndikonete mioro.
Yes.
Mioro primary na mioro kwanja biru mioro kanitha ni kuo muno.
Yes.
Kanitha uciarite makanitha mangi matatu.
Yes. Mukahutha ke. Yes.
Twambiria na kumagaria tukiuma mioro tukiumagaria ruru primary. Twaikaikara tukiumagaria ruru kanitha wa ruru wa gatoreki.
Yes.
Tugiciara kanitha ungi witagwo Kiambura.
Yes.
Tugicoka tuyaciara recently turacira kanitha ungi witagwo Merere-ini.
Yes.
So I have seen it.
And it will go on. Tondu I don't know kuingiha tureka atia.
Turaigiha.
Ona tu independence tware 8.1 million. Now we are 55 million and over. Probably. Yes. It happens.
No igogona ria kumagaria it is always very beautiful.
It's colorful. I can imagine. Ona tu kuria Kasarani ri St. Gertrude's ri kwena mutungatiri wetagwo Major Thumbi. Ni twaciarie kanitha ungi wa City Chicken. Yes. Na matho maira kiwanja kiari ho no mambire gutumwo flat yari ho parking-ini.
Ni kuorientwo
matho mera flat ni undu wa kugia ni andu manikite nguo wakajiga kamua
keribariba
wakajengeneza St. Gertrude. Yes. So it will still go on. Yes.
Ni maundu marapendi nginya umuthi.
Yes.
Muthenya wa kiumia ni tukaumagaria kanitha witu mweru. Please, asirika wathe mundu ndakanatire muthenya ucio ni munene. Nitugathi tumarathimithirie kundu kuu. Tugatongorio ni Thika General na kidikoni waku diocese ino.
Ciana cia PMC ni atongoria procession.
Nituroria AC bado sisi ni agakorwo kundu guku. Muthenya ucio tugathomera kuu ithuothe na aria mena ngenge ni murorie mugoka na maburi.
Can open here.
Akibaidira.
Yes.
Magakianjiriria. Wow, hau na maisha magathie na mbere.
But the primary one must have been a very emotional. I have not experienced it myself.
No, I didn't experience it.
It must have been very emotional.
No, it's very emotional.
Yes.
Mbogi yaku yothe ri.
It was almost like a very solemn affair.
Tarithi te mioro primary to magaria ruru primary ri.
Yes.
Mbogi yothe iria umaga ruru primary ri.
Yes.
Niyo yaturehagira wild meat. Tondu me mutito-ini.
So they would bring you rabbits and dick-dicks.
Yes.
So mukihererio riu ono.
Nyama ya thwariga niyo maturehagira.
Na yeta watia cikuiro.
Matunda maria me makoragwo kwao.
Na njege.
Niyo me githaka.
Yes. Resources cikimweherera oguo.
Ni twatubire.
Mukigia policy iria yarehetwo ni the PCA church. Jitegeme. Here we are.
Ela ngende tigetie ndagika